Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram. Today we'll show you guys how to make sweet and sour soup with catfish, also known as Canh Chua. This is a staple dish in Vietnamese cuisine that has a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory, and is right for any occasion. So y'all, let's get right to cooking. We are going to start off by cleaning our fish by dousing mirin over it and gently rubbing it, and then let it sit for 10 minutes before we rinse it and dry it off. This will help get rid of any fishy taste. Next, we're going to wash and prep our vegetables for this dish. So, cut 2 tomatoes into wedges and then chop your rice patty, herb, and green onions as well. And this here is elephant ear stem. Strip it and slice it diagonally. For the okra, chop off stem and cut them in half diagonally as well. Lastly, smash and mince 4 cloves of garlic and dice a large clove of shallot and set these aside. Now, let's get to cooking. So, to a pan, heat up a couple of tablespoons of oil and add our minced garlic. Fry this until you get it to a nice golden brown color, and then scoop it out and set it aside for later. Next, to the same pan, heat up the garlic oil and add in the catfish and slightly sear it on both sides and remove it from the pan and set it aside as well. Then, to a pot before we make our soup, add in a tablespoon of oil and our diced shallot and cook this until it smells good. And then combine 10 cups of water, 1 pack of tamarind soup mix, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 10 tablespoons of sugar, and a dash of MSG, which is optional, and bring this to a boil. Once it starts to boil, add in your fish and let it cook for 10 minutes. During this time, skim any impurities from the broth that may rise. Now, remove the fish from the pot once it's cooked, and it's time to add in all the veggies that we prepped earlier, starting with the tomato, pineapple, and okra. Cook this for a couple of minutes, and then add in the elephant ear, chopped herbs, and bean sprout, and turn off the heat. And finally, ladle this into a bowl, and before serving, top it off with some more rice patty herb, green onion, Thai chili peppers, and fried garlic. And friends, here is the final product: Vietnamese sweet and sour soup. We hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye!